This video is all about the rolling start deadlift. What does it look like and who is it maybe good for or not that good for? So the rolling start basically looks like this. What you'll usually do is get set up, the bar is sort of away from you, or you may even roll it away, and you kind of roll it in and start your lift from there. You'll see this in powerlifting, strongman, and sometimes even Olympic weightlifting a little bit. So my basic recommendation on this is probably not to do it. And the reason for that is it just adds an extra variable which can lead to inconsistency. So if you set up in a really consistent way every single time, right? I set my feet, I know exactly the distance between my shin and the bar, right? None of that stuff is changing as I get down. I get set, I lift, right? It's very easy to replicate that and do that the same every single time. With a rolling deadlift, it's easier for the bar to kind of pull you forward or for different things to kind of break down or be a little bit inconsistent rep to rep. Now, you will see some very famous people doing this, including the Mountain, right, who's the strongest guy in the world. His deadlift looks like this. So obviously you can make this work, but definitely for more beginner or intermediate lifters, I would not recommend emulating that style. Go for something that is more simple, more repeatable, so you get better results and more consistency.